I feel amazing, and this hair is, I never would have been able to achieve this with my own hair, and it makes me feel so confident and beautiful from the inside out, and I absolutely love it. It's like a fairy tale.
Incredible. Living in a hat for the last month and a half has led up to this moment, and the grand reveal was perfect.
I'm thrilled. I mean, it's just, to touch it, it feels like 1,000 times better than my hair, but I mean, it feels like it's mine.
I'm doing great. This is so much fun. Yeah.
This is my first time I've had bonding, and yes, I definitely would. I mean, it's just something you don't have to think about. You wake up in the morning, you have great hair, you go to bed at night, you have great hair, and it's just effortless. Like, there's no thought to it. So I would recommend bonding. I just think it's a great alternative, and not many people know about it, so I'm excited to get out there and share.
I absolutely love it. It's a pretty cool experience, and really love the color and just the overall feel of it.
I feel great. I feel like I'm back. I'm ready to rock and roll. This is what I feel like when I'm talking to someone. This is what I see myself looking like.
Knowing that the product I have is something that I'm going to have for a while. It's going to be easy to care for, and I just feel like it looks more natural.
My family and friends definitely know, my coworkers know, so I'm completely open. I just love that more and more people are like coming out and being more open about it, which I think would really help more people kind of make that decision. Definitely, I would recommend it for anybody. So I totally love the cut. I'm a big fade guy with the beard. I think it really goes well. Love the color and love just how soft it is. Kind of mess it up a little bit, have some fun with it.
It takes a specialist to do this, and I feel like I was handled by the best, and I feel cute.
But this was a complete surprise, and I absolutely love it.
And I absolutely will continue wearing hair replacement forever. There's no going back now.